Hey everyone! What if your car suddenly refuses to change gears, leaving you stuck on the road? You check your OBD-II scanner, and it throws P0907, clutch actuator B control circuit high. This means the clutch actuator B is sending an abnormally high voltage signal to the transmission control module, which can cause serious gear shifting problems or even transmission failure. But don't worry, I'll show you where this sensor is located, why this code appears, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC-P0907? DTC-P0907 indicates a high voltage signal from the clutch actuator B circuit. This actuator controls the clutch in automated manual and dual clutch transmissions. If the actuator isn't working correctly, your car might struggle to shift gears, enter limp mode, or even refuse to move. Common symptoms of P0907 car won't shift properly or get stuck in gear. Check engine light or transmission. Warning light on. Transmission enters limp mode. Unusual jerks or hard shifts. Increased fuel consumption due to inefficient gear shifting. Sensor and component location, very important. Clutch actuator B location, usually mounted on the transmission housing, found near the clutch assembly in semi-automatic or dual clutch transmissions. Transmission control module location, typically inside the engine bay near the transmission. Some vehicles have it under the dashboard or near the fuse box. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs between the clutch actuator, TCM, and main fuse box. May be located along the transmission housing or under the car. Check your vehicle's service manual for the exact sensor locations. What causes P0907? Faulty clutch actuator B. The actuator is sending an incorrect signal. Damaged wiring or connectors. Broken, corroded, or loose connections. Defective transmission control module, over-voltage issues. Short circuit in the system, high voltage spikes due to damaged wiring, software or firmware issues. TCM may require an update or reset. How to fix P0907? Step 1. Check battery voltage. High voltage can damage actuators and sensors. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for any short circuits or broken wires. Step 3. Test the clutch actuator. B. Use a multimeter to check voltage output. Step 4. Check the TCM for faults, reset or replace if necessary. Step 5. Update the TCM software. If required, get it reprogrammed at a dealership. Final words. If P0907 is ignored, it can lead to severe transmission failure and costly repairs. Fixing it early ensures smooth gear shifts and prevents breakdowns. For more OBD2 error codes, check out these videos. P0680, cylinder 10 glow plug circuit. P0681, cylinder 11 glow plug circuit. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.